Hello and welcome back to my channel Avanti Morocha. This is a short video where I'll show you how to get the best results when you are printing from Design Space. Once in a while I'll get a message or a comment telling me that they don't get good results when printing from Design Space. This happens when you don't use the system dialog on Design Space. In this video I'll show you how to do it. To get the best results when printing, you need to use high quality images. I designed the stickers with my dogs. I saved them with the PNG format with a resolution of 300 dpi and then export them to Design Space. Check my video of images on YouTube if you need help understanding the image format and resolution. And I made these button stickers using an image from Design Space, text, and offset. Then I convert them to print and cut by flattening the layers. I want this project to be printed with this layout. Select everything and click on Attach. You'll receive a warning if your image is bigger than the maximum printed area. I'll make the project bigger so you can see this warning. It tells you that the design is too big for the paper size. You can choose to auto-resize the image or change the paper size. I'll click on paper size so you can see the options. At the beginning of this year, Cricut increased the printing area and added new paper sizes. Remember to choose the paper based on your printer. Most home printers only work with letter size and A4 paper. I leave it in letter size because that's the size of my paper. I'll go back to the original size. Now click on Make It. As you can see, the design layout is the same as the previous window. Don't attach the images if you want to move the pieces individually here. Continue. Send to printer. I'll be using my printer Epson XP1500. I'll leave the bleed on. Check my video about bleed if you want to know when to use it. Toggle on the system dialog. This allows me to choose my preference. After you press print, minimize this window because the printer dialog will appear in the back. In this window, you can select the paper type, quality, and more. There will be some variations based on your printer. My printer has two trays. I prefer to use the rear tray when using glossy paper. Now I'll select the media type. I'm using glossy paper. It is key to choose the type of paper you are using. Select the quality. You can use best, but my printer works great even with the normal setting. Print. Remember that the print quality is also affected by the paper you are using. For me, the print looks better when using glossy paper. I'm using this glossy vinyl sticker paper. If you choose the correct settings on your printer, this will do a better job. A printer works differently on glossy and matte paper. When printing on glossy paper, the printer moves smoothly and slowly, and printing on matte paper tends to be faster. I fast forwarded this part of the video. The process of printing these designs took 1 minute and 10 seconds. As you can see, the print looks great. Since this is glossy paper, it reflects the light. This can be an issue when using Explore 2. This sensor in this machine is the oldest and it tends to struggle with this material. To fix the issue, cover the registration marks with matte Scotch tape. I'm back on Design Space and I'll choose the material. I'm using a custom material. I created this material after making some test cut using this paper. Check my video on how to create a new material if you want to learn. Now I'll load the material and send it to cut. I fast forwarded this part of the video. The process of cutting these pieces took 2 minutes. The first thing the machine will do is to read the registration marks. Cricut recommends using matte paper. This is mainly to avoid having issues with the sensor not recognizing the registration marks. I haven't had any issues with Maker Explore 3 or Maker 3. I only had issues with Explore 2, but I solved them covering the registration marks with matte tape. As you can see, the stickers look great. I hope you like this video and find it informative. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And that's it. I see you in the following video. Ciao ciao!